The inquest process is vital to help families better understand what may have happened to their loved one prior to their passing. An inquest is a public fact-finding inquiry to determine the overall cause of somebody's death. An inquest is overseen by a coroner, and in order to determine the cause of someone's death, a coroner has to ultimately answer 4 key questions. Who was the deceased person? When they died, where they died, and most importantly, how they came about their death. During the inquest itself, some witnesses' evidence will be simply read into the court, but other witnesses will be asked to attend the inquest to give live evidence. Once each witness has given their live evidence, the coroner will be able to ask them questions to assist with their inquiry. After this, the family's representative and the representatives for any other parties will also have the opportunity to ask questions of those witnesses. Clients come to us often in some of the most traumatic and difficult times of their lives, and we appreciate that it can be very overwhelming to consider bringing a clinical negligence claim or attending an inquest in relation to the death of a loved one. And that's why we're here, to make the process as easy and as stress-free as possible. We provide support, guidance and specialist advice to families from the outset in respect of inquests. Importantly, we act as the main point of contact on behalf of families. This means that we will be in touch with the coroner's office and the coroner on behalf of families, and also with the other parties who are involved in the inquest. As well as representing families both at the inquest and any pre-inquest hearings, we will be able to advise from the outset on what the likely conclusion might be at an inquest. We will be able to review and advise on the evidence that has already been obtained as part of the coroner's investigation, and any further evidence that should be obtained before the full inquest takes place. An inquest is a public inquiry, which means that members of the public and the press are free to attend the inquest. This means that journalists can report on the evidence and the findings of an inquest. Whilst we can't prevent the press from attending an inquest and reporting on its findings, we can help with advising from the outset on how likely press interest will be during the inquest hearing, redirecting any press approaches to us at Nelson's so that we can support you and you don't have to deal with the press yourselves. And where families wish to, we can assist with actually contacting the press to inform them of the inquest and to provide a family statement which can be used for press releases. We at Nelson's have a team of multilingual staff, which means that we can provide support and advice from the very outset with in-house interpreting services. We can also provide support in relation to getting external interpreters or translators to assist with any meetings or any hearings. If you have concerns that the care and treatment that you have been provided with or a loved one has been provided with has caused or contributed to an injury or even their death, it's important that you get in touch to obtain specialist advice as soon as possible. Our team here at Nelson's are here to support and guide you through each step of the process, so please do not hesitate to get in touch with us to talk about any concerns that you have.